Come on, guys, let's go!
I'm very, very hungry.
Come on, guys, let's go!
Yes. Oh yeah.
Huh? Oh my god! Come on, guys, let's go! Oh no!
Few days later.
Yes.
Oh no! Huh? Oh my god!
Nice.
Oh no!
dare thee?
Hmm?
How dare thee?
Hmm?
No!
Escape! We are very sorry.
One day on the farm, White Cow is chewing grass. All animals are happy. They play near the fence. Wild animals are here. They look angry and hungry.
Oh my God, let's escape.
Cow decided to help the farm animals. He finds paint and a brush.
I have an idea.
Yes!
Cow turns into a black alien cow.
Stop it!
Oh no, this animal looks dangerous.
Yeah, you better run away from here.
Whoa, Black Cow is here.
Guys, it's me, the White Cow.
Great cow.
All animals are safe now.
Thank God we are alive.
Smart Cow saved the day. A sunny day on the happy farm. All animals are playing. Wow, Super Cow is here. Whoa, it's a spider cow. Super Cow lifts a heavy rock to show power. Super Cow and Spider Cow look at each other with proud, serious faces.
Let's escape.
Super Cow lifts a truck and spins it. Spider Cow traps it in a giant web.
Come on, let's stop them.
Yes!
Huge fight between both cows. Buffalo tosses mud at Spider Cow's web and splat. Bull shows all the damage behind them. Cows realize their mistake. They both fix the truck together. All animals cheer and hug each other. Big jungle. Happy animals are here. Suddenly, ground shakes. Oh no, it's a giant elephant.
Oh my God!
Let's escape.
Whoa, it's a lion! Elephant cries loudly. He doesn't know the way back home. Animals gather on top of a hill. They make a plan. Wow, Super Cow is here! Super Cow give a big plan to trap the elephant.
Yes!
Bison and Buffalo bring the iron doors. All R make an iron cage.
Let's do this, guys.
Elephant sees fruit. His tummy rumbles. Elephant looks scared and sad.
Don't worry, elephant. We will help you.
Buffalo brings the water to the elephant. Horse, bull and lion help fix the bridge. Super Cow flies up and points to the distant mountain path. Elephant steps out of the cage. A lonely black cow walks slowly. She looks at her green grass and animals playing.
Horse, I am very hungry. Please give me some food.
No, go away.
Buffalo, can you please help me?
Go away.
Guys, give me some food.
Cow was very disappointed. A lion lies unconscious with a hurt paw.
Oh my God!
Let's help him.
Cow runs to the pond and carefully fills it with water.
Oh my God!
Lion smiles and gives superpowers to the black cow.
All the best, cow.
Oh my God, it's giant T-Rex!
Let's escape.
Wow, Super Black Cow is here. She shoots red laser beams from her eyes. Super Cow defeat the T-Rex. They all hug, play, and eat together, now best friends forever. 3 buffaloes are happily grazing on the grass. Oh no, it's a meteor! Buffaloes have been transformed into evil. Buffaloes are attacking the forest.
Oh my God!
All animals run for their lives. Animals are waiting for help. Wow, the cow has transformed into a super cow. Super cow attacks buffaloes.
Stop the games. Let's show him our power.
Super cow fired the buffalo. Buffaloes run towards the water. They're back to normal.